it's cold outside.
It is so cold out here. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. It's so cold.
Good and evil, okay? She's all white and innocent, and I don't know about me.
We're going with evil. We're going with evil. What do you have?
It's the Weekend Roundup, and we're going to start with a fabulous event going on tonight. It's the Downtown LA Art Walk. It's absolutely free.
Tonight.
Rain or shine. It's the second Thursday of every month.
Hi, guys.
And we've got the Truck It Fest. This is the man, Philip, and you set up all the food trucks and the vendors at the Art Walk tonight.
Yeah, tonight we have about 50 plus food trucks and vendors. It's a free event for the public. It's at Joe's Parking on 3rd and Spring from 6:30 to 11:30.
And Maria's already eating.
And yeah,
Sorry,
so bring your
look so
appetite and a
good.
scarf and come down tonight.
Yes, and one of the food trucks that will be there tonight is the Wicked Kitchen food truck. This is
Can I
brand
try?
new. Ryan, you just opened up this truck a couple of
Why
months
is it
ago.
wicked? Why is it wicked?
It's wicked because we're risk takers. We've taken big risks with these foods. It's globally inspired. We have some of the most bold and unique flavors out there.
Don't lose your tempura,
And
Steve.
Definitely don't lose your
I
tempura.
pity the tofu.
Is Maria taking a risk eating it?
No, she is not.
That's delicious.
I pity the tofu.
So it's global inspired street food, and it's like what? Asian and
So
is
we
it Asian
have-
and Mexican?
So we have a Cajun, we have a Vietnamese
fantastic.
dish, we have a Chinese Mapo tofu.
It's
and we
delicious.
have a tempura dish.
And you have clever names for everything, and
wanna
it's
eat that.
absolutely delicious.
I like Okay by You.
Okay by you.
Yeah,
It's okay by you. Okay, I'm gonna keep eating.
It's all okay by you.
And this is
Getting
delicious
after it.
Wicked Kitchen food truck. Thank you so much, Ryan.
Thank you.
Thank
Ryan.
you.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna move on. Downtown LA Art Walk tonight, 6:30.
Delish.